Hi Gemini, how are you? So today we are going to do the general predictions of the month May 2020. These are general predictions, so they might or might not resonate with all of you. And जो टैरो डेक मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है दैट इज़ आना के टैरो डेक. ये अमेज़ॉन में अवेलेबल है एंड इफ़ यू आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग टैरो तो आप भी ये एज अ बिगनर्स डेक ले सकते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज़ माई ऑल्सो फर्स्ट डेक एंड इसमें जो इमेजेस हैं वो दे आर वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. सो आई रियली लव द इमेजेस ओवर हियर. सो लेट्स डू योर रीडिंग. Gemini, May 2020. Okay. So what's at the bottom of the deck? It is Nine of Pentacles. So Gemini is behaving like a Gemini. They are always so much into themselves. अपने आप को इतना प्यार करते हैं and they are always like कि I am good, I am better, and that is good. You know, you love yourself. Geminis love themselves and that is really good. Very good energy. Okay, so let's see what is going on the present. Three of Cups. So there are two things from here. You might be happy, feeling happy with friends or see right now आप मिल नहीं सकते. I know there's social distancing but still you are social via phone and via your emails, via messages you are talking. One more energy which I feel over here is the third party situation. Someone is dealing with like some kind of third person has entered. Okay, so it might happen in the family also. There's some conflicts going on between you and your person because of a third party. Okay, so let's see what is the obstacle. The obstacle is Page of Pentacles. Okay, so the obstacle is why Page of Pentacles? Because I really feel that you want some kind of stable relationship, new start with this person. But जो आपका person है that he or she is not ready for that and that person is taking you very calmly, not very seriously. And one more thing is over here that कोई मुझे partnership, I can feel that you have started some kind of work कहीं like joining of school or some kind of association, organization, कोई नया business start किया है, नया venture with your friends, the person, the people you know. So why is this obstacle? Okay, so we'll see what's going on your mind is Seven of Cups. Okay, so Geminis always have a lot of options in front of them. बहुत confused रहते हैं वो यहाँ पे because they have so much thoughts. उनके दिमाग में इतनी सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं कि वो समझ ही नहीं पाते कि क्या exactly stable क्या है. So what's in your recent past? Four of Swords. So you actually spent a lot of time thinking about these options और आपने बहुत टाइम लगाया है and then finally जब आपने एक career, एक option choose किया तो वो आपको अब लग रहा है कि yeah, the other person is thinking कि no, this is not good, this is not worth it. Okay, so we'll see. So what is going on so what is the reason of the reading? This is Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so some karmic imbalances might be. You had to deal with all these things. Okay, so what is the near future is Five of Swords. So the people with whom you are dealing with, थोड़ा संभल के रहिए. And what are you thinking right now? Three of Swords. So I really feel this is for those people, ये reading especially उन लोगों के लिए तो है ही जो third party situations के साथ deal कर रहे हैं. Those people जो like a breakup kind of something जो because of some third person, ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. Okay. So how are the people around you? They are the Star. A lot of hope was there in this relationship or in this partnership. So what is the, yeah, you are feeling emotionally is the 10 of Wands. You are devastated. You are very much, आपके ऊपर pressure आ गया है because of some kind of work which you are doing. What is the final outcome? Is the 2 of Wands. So again, what will happen? So much of options. जो at the end आपको क्या लगेगा? Again, you will feel like कि यार I'm in the crossroads. I don't know what to do with my life. Okay. So actually what जो problems, the options, the third party situations, your business partnerships, ये जो conflicts आ रहे हैं, I think you want something more serious, you want something more mature, but the other person is not so mature. तो क्या हो रहा है कि these are actually the karmic imbalances. ये कुछ karma है, the wheel of fortune. There is something, the wheel has been turned. That is why you are dealing with so much of pressure, so much of problems. Deception भी देख रही हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. People are not trusting you, or you are not able to trust them, because I really feel there's something जो कुछ पहले, in the past also I can see 4 of Swords, because पहले भी कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ. There was something, some kind of relationship issues, some kind of partnership issues. आपने trust किया या आप पे trust किया गया, और फिर आपने you deceived that person, and now you are not able. That is why the pressure has come on you. आपके साथ बहुत चीज़ें हो रही हैं and you are not able to deal with that. Really good. And again at the end you will be like, where to go, मैं तो फंस गया. You are like on the crossroads. दो नाव पे सवार हैं आप. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from the universe for this reading. जो आपके साथ हो रहा है अभी, let's see कि universe क्या कहते हैं इस चीज़ के लिए. Okay, some messages for my Geminis, please. So the first card is the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. I actually feel the same thing. You are not being treated the way you treat this person. आपके साथ अगर आप trust करते हैं, this person doesn't trust you, और ये भी हो सकता है कि the person will deceive you at some point of time, because in the near future I can see 5 of Swords. That is why I can feel कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं तो इतना ट्रस्ट इश्यूज प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, बिकॉज इन योर पास्ट ऑल्सो देयर वाज समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो आफ्टर दैट इज द चैरियट इन रिवर्स. या देयर आर डिलेज एंड द मैजिशियन इन रिवर्स. सो एक्चुअली द यूनिवर्स इज ऑल्सो सेइंग द सेम थिंग, दैट आप अगर चाह रहे हैं to move on with this new person, to move on with this partnership or this relationship, तो थोड़े delays आएंगे. बिकॉज ऑफ द कार्मिक इम्बैलेंसेस। बट आपको बिल्कुल भी डिससेटिस्फाई नहीं होना है, बिकॉज द टाइम इज़ रॉन्ग बट नॉट दैट थिंग। आप इफ़ यू आर इन लव, इफ़ यू आर इन सम काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज लाइक आपके बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, तो द यूनिवर्स इज टेलिंग कि डिलेज आ सकते हैं। बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप मैनिफेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, आप उसमें काम नहीं करेंगे, आप छोड़ देंगे, आप हार मान जाएंगे। नो, दैट इज़ नॉट जेमिनाइज। वो कभी हार नहीं मानते हैं। एकदम एंड तक आपको डटे रहना है, आपको अपना whatever you have fallen in आपको वो कंप्लीट करना है। कुछ भी चीज़ बीच में नहीं छोड़ के जानी है। अगर डिलेज आएंगे तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो फॉर गुड। okay, so that's all from my side, Geminis. So I really hope you find this reading good, और अगर आपको पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक और कमेंट भी ज़रूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।